Hello, welcome back to the channel and another video on this Abarth at 595. So we've got the service kits arrived, replacement bumpers arrived. So today I'm going to start off, going to get this service done. I'm going to change the oil, filters, spark plugs, and see how I get on with that. I have to get it up on the axle stand so I can get underneath. And I think later on as well, I'm going to see if we've got enough time, but we're going to give it a wash. Weather's fine outside. I think it'll look really smart when it's clean. Can't do the inside just yet because the washer that I bought hasn't arrived. But yeah, I think we're going to have it looking pretty good today. So yeah, let's make a start. So we've got the genuine Abarth service kit, which came with 4 litres of this oil. It's a 10 watt 50. I've had a look inside. It's very, very thick stuff. So yeah, let's make a start. So there we have it, the service is done. That's new spark plugs, air filter, oil filter. Not done the cabin filter yet because it is a bit dirty there, so when I do all the inside cleaning out I'll do that. But yeah, let's give it a start and see how it goes. Okay, yeah, not too bad. I don't think no smoke anyway. Sort of like a bag of nails when it first started up, didn't it? But I think that's just waiting for the oil to get back into the system. But yeah, sounds alright. I'll let it get up to temperature. I'll switch it off, check the dipstick, and then top it up accordingly because I think it's going to need a little bit more because it was up on the axle stands when I put the oil in at the start. But yeah, so far so good. Okay, look at the shine on that. So I forgot to do a quick vid when I finished outside, but yeah, it looks absolutely fantastic. The shine is great. There's no hidden additional damage or scratches that I couldn't see under the dirt. Well, yeah, absolutely fantastic. Really, really pleased with that. So this bumper, I've got to strip that down because that is going to the body shop next week, and he's going to spray that up. He's going to do all prep work and everything on it, so that's less hassle for me. I've just got a little bit of damage there that I'm going to try and heat up and bend out, just so he's not messing about too much. But yeah, wheels are a hell of a lot better. Obviously, washing them didn't get rid of any damage, but they just look better. So as well, inside, not touched that yet because I've ordered a wash. What do they call it? Spot wash. Wet and dry vacuum thing. And it's still not come, disappointingly. So I'll give it a vacuum out later on, just to make a start. And then, but yeah, I think it's going to be next week sometime before it comes, so I won't be able to give it a full valet inside. But yeah, it is. It is a nice looking car now, or getting there, should we say? And just wait till that bumper's on. It's going to look fantastic, isn't it? Cool. Hey, so now we've done the service, I need to reset the service timer. So let's wait for the laptop to fire up and then we'll get that reset. Alright, let's have a look on here. See if we can remember how to do it. Well, there we go, service. Service. Service interval reset, TFT, connect. I'll put the other adapter in, which is here. Press yes. Okay. Adjustments. Next service kilometre reset. Service interval, is it that? Allows you to set the service coupon interval distance. Let's have a look what that is. Oh no. Parameters. Odometer, is it how many miles? That's how many miles. Distance after last service. So it's, oh, look at that. It's done 24,000 miles since the last service reset. That's interesting to know. Okay, and then we've got last service date. 1st of the 1st, 2015. Can't be right. Not even there. Here then. Number of services. It's had 6 services. Really? Okay. Service interval. Okay. Service period. Every year. Distance till next service, 0 miles. Days till next service, 0 days. So that's good that I've got that info there, that it's had 6 services. Whether that's right or not, I don't know. I did contact Abarth and they weren't able to help me with previous service history, unfortunately. Adjustments. Service interval. Let's execute that and see what happens. Service interval 9,000 miles. Yes to confirm. So that should add 9,000 miles onto there. Let's have a look on the dash now. Service. No, we didn't do it. Let's try again. Next service kilometre reset. Execute that. There we go, done it, I think. So I've got 9,001 miles to the next service, 365 days, fantastic. Right, that's as much as I've got time for today, really. So I was going to strip down this bumper, but it's going to be a lot harder than I first thought. These, for the bottom grille, the clips seem to be moulded on as if they pushed through and then melted back on. So do I unmelt them, or shall I just leave it and get the body shop guy? I'm sure he can mask around it. It might be less messing about. These top grills, I've got that one off. It was a bit tricky, but if I get a screwdriver underneath, I can gently prise them up. I've got to be careful not to break these plastic tabs. And then it's the same with the badge at the top. So yeah, with a bit of time and patience, I can get them off. And these are readily available. Get them on Amazon for about £3 or something for a box. So I'll just get some replacements of them. So I might even Dremel them off. That might be easier. Obviously these DRLs, they'll come off, no problem. But yeah, I've got to get that done before. I'll probably do it Monday and take it into the body shop guy. But yeah, it should be ready for next weekend, I think. So it's another week, another weekend working on the Abarth. Do as much as I can. I think so for the next week. For the next video, it might be next weekend, it might not. I just don't know how much time I've going to have on it at the moment. But when that bumper comes back, I'll get it on straight away. And yeah, it's going to look absolutely fantastic then, isn't it? It'll be looking done almost. I have to decide what I'm going to do with them alloy wheels. Whether to try and repair them or not, I don't know. Yeah, it'll be done very soon. Fingers crossed. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for getting this far. And if you've liked what you've seen, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. And please as well, yeah, comment below for anything. I don't know, anything you want to say. A comment would be appreciated. But yeah, thanks very much, and see you next time.